Best secret tricks and hacks for Android phones. Listed here are a few of the most inventive undiscovered Android phone hacks. Get most of your Android phone by enabling the developers option. You are likely missing out on some of the major adjustments that you may make to your Android smartphone if you haven't enabled the developers option yet. So while dark mode is the rage right now, certain Android apps are still not properly optimized for it. Because of this, it is preferable to activate the Force Dark Mode or override Force Dark option by going to the developers option and watching as any program that isn't already in dark mode transforms into one. Therefore, it is preferable to activate the Force Dark Mode or override Force Dark option by logging into the developers option and watching as every non-dark mode app transforms into a dark one. To locate a misplaced phone, use the Find My Device feature. This is yet another useful tool that might assist you in recovering a stolen Android device. Note, if you misplace your phone someplace, you can utilize this secret feature to locate it. Did you know that you could open the app of your choosing by pressing the power button as well? Using the power button to launch the app of your choosing is another option. Did you know? Many Android phones have this hidden feature that enables a user to instantly silence a call by just flipping it over the screen. Therefore, if you own an Android phone, you can easily enable this option by navigating to the settings menu and then enabling the flip to silent feature. On my Android phone, for example, the camera app opens when I repeatedly double press the power button. However, did you know that all it takes to complete this operation is the use of your Google Assistant? Try putting your Android phone in airplane mode to reduce charging time by preventing it from continually looking for networks and Wi-Fi. Similar to this, if you are experiencing network connectivity troubles, you may easily connect your phone to the closest cell tower to ensure better and stronger network connectivity by turning on airplane mode and then turning it off again. One of the most underutilized features on an Android smartphone is Do Not Disturb mode, which allows a user to block all incoming calls and notifications for a certain amount of time. Slide and double tap to zoom in on Google Maps. Try double tapping once and then moving your fingers up and down if you're sick of double tapping Google Maps to zoom in. It can be aggravating to wait for someone to reconnect while you are on hold, but hey, you don't have to worry about it anymore because Google Assistant can hold calls for you. Because of this, it is preferable to turn on one-handed mode under Android's advanced feature to get a small screen with simple access. I advise turning on the game mode feature from the settings menu if you want to improve the performance of your Android gaming device. In addition to improving your Android's GPU performance, this function will also block obtrusive calls and notifications. You have the ability to unlock the System UI Tuner option on stock Android so that you can customize the quick access buttons. So, to test it out, swipe down the notification bar, long touch the cogwheel icon, which stands for System Settings, wait for the wheel to start rotating, and then hit the button to unlock the System UI Tuner. The quick access buttons can now be readily adjusted in accordance. Android users must just swipe left or right to accept or reject a call, which might occasionally appear hard when the user's hands are wet. Therefore, to make it easier for consumers, most Android devices have a secret hack dubbed single press mode that allows a user to answer calls and alarms with a single tap. These were some of the best kept secrets for using Android, which can not only help you do certain tasks but also quickly advance your skill level as a power